Hello, this is Skylar at Home Pro Bath. Today we're in the Villages playing with some dogs here. We're working on a custom shower. Let's take a look. Hey Dominic, what do you got going in here? Wow. So there used to be a fiberglass corner shower, a 36-inch shower, very tight. Kind of a tough design for a bathroom. Okay, now we're on day 2, making some progress here. Got some of the plumbing done in the wall there. And got everything cleaned up there. Got the old vanity cabinet and wall cabinet out. Mirrors gone. All right, day 5. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we've got a medicine cabinet. We've got a vanity cabinet, soft close, custom paint, onyx vanity top. With Delta faucets matching in the wall, medicine cabinet. Also custom paint, light bar, mirror, and this is the corner shower. Wow, what an improvement. We've got Delta faucets, grab bar, tall recess, onyx, soap and shampoo caddy, custom shower base, Delta 1400 series brushed nickel with the rain shower head. We've got rain glass shower doors, 3/8, swinging glass on a double threshold onyx shower base, corner shower enclosure setup, very nice. And thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.